सुप्रभात बच्चों, कैसे हो आप? जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम हिंदी का दूसरा पाठ पढ़ रहे हैं। ये एक कहानी है। कहानी किसकी है? एक लड़के की। अभी तक आपने क्या पढ़ा? राघवन। राघवन कौन था? एक छोटा लड़का था। उसकी आदत कैसी थी? वो बहुत ही जिद्दी और लापरवाह था। हाँ, किसी की नहीं सुनता था। और क्या पढ़ा आपने? हाँ, एक दिन फिर वो अपने मित्र वेणुगोपाल के घर गया। वहां पर क्या रखा हुआ था? हाँ, बहुत सारे किस्म के फल रखे हुए थे। तो वहां पर उसकी माँ, वेणुगोपाल की माँ ने उसको, राघवन को कहा कि वहां पर बहुत सारे फल रखे हुए हैं, तो उसमें से वो कोई भी ले सकता है जो उसको पसंद है। चलिए अब आगे पढ़ते हैं कि आगे इस कहानी में क्या होता है। तो बच्चों, आप भी अपनी पुस्तक निकालिए, हम आगे की कहानी पढ़ते हैं। चिल्ड्रन, ओपन योर बुक्स, वी विल रीड द रिमेनिंग स्टोरी। लेट अस रीड। राघवन ने एक केला उठाया और उसे छील कर खाने लगा। खाकर छिलका वही फेंक दिया। राघवन took one banana and peeled it and started eating it. After finishing, he threw the banana peel there on the floor. वेणु ने एक संतरा लिया तो उसने भी एक संतरा ले लिया। वेणु took orange to eat. So on seeing it, Raghavan also took one orange. वेणु ने संतरे के छिलके एक प्लेट में रख दिए। राघवन ने संतरे के बीज और छिलके जमीन पर फेंक दिए। See what Venu did? He kept the orange peel and the seeds on a plate. But what Raghavan did? Raghavan threw again the orange peel as well as the seeds on the floor. See dear children, you can see it on the picture. Raghavan is throwing the banana peel down. Seeds are there, isn't it? Let us know what happens after that. वेणुगोपाल का छोटा भाई नंदू वहां आया। अचानक केले की छिलकी पर उसका पैर पड़ा, वो गिरा। धड़ाम! Venugopal's small brother Nandu came there. Suddenly, his foot slipped on the banana peel which Raghavan threw on the floor. He fell down. राघवन को हंसी आ गई, लेकिन वेणु हंसा नहीं। उसने जाकर अपनी बाई को उठाया और प्यार से सहलाया। See, Raghavan laughed on Nandu as he fell down, but Venu, he did not laugh. He just took his brother and just patted him and made him comfortable. After that, what he did? फिर कमरे में बिखरे छिलके और बीज उठाकर उसने कूड़ेदान में डाल दिए। यह देखकर राघवन शर्मिंदा हो गया। उसे अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ। तब से उसने अपनी आदत सुधारने का निश्चय किया। What then Venugopal did? He collected all the peels and seeds and threw it in the bin. After seeing it, Raghavan was ashamed of himself. Sharminda, ashamed of himself. He realized his mistake. He felt that what he did was wrong, isn't it? See, he threw the banana peel, orange peel, seeds on the floor. But what Venugopal did, he collected all the seeds and peel and threw it in the dustbin. After seeing it, Raghavan was ashamed of himself. Then he realized what he is doing or what he did was totally wrong. तब से उसने अपनी आदत सुधारने का निश्चय किया. After that, he determined, he decided that he will correct his bad habit. What was his bad habit? His bad habit was that he was careless. He never keeps his thing in order, isn't it? We already read it, that how was his habit. उस दिन से राघवन सुधर गया. See, what was the topic of your chapter? Raghavan sudhar gaya. See here, first I told you that he was a careless. Raghavan is a careless boy, but in the end he becomes responsible and stopped being careless. So this is the way how he now. Can you just tell me how he now changed himself? Yes, after seeing Venugopal's behavior, how he behaves, how he responsible is, isn't it? This is the reason that Raghavan changed himself. अब वो सब चीजें सही जगह पर रखने लगा. उसकी माँ ये देखकर बहुत खुश हुई. See, he changed himself, and after that he uses to keep all the things in their proper place. After seeing it, his mother was very happy, isn't it? When you are also good, your mother, your parents are very happy, isn't it? So the same way, when he became responsible and he was keeping his things in order, so on seeing it, his mother became very happy. So children, now you came to know that how Raghavan changed himself. It was because of his friend Venugopal. He changed himself. Okay children, thank you. बच्चों, आज के हार्ड वर्ड्स जो हमने पढ़े, हार्ड वर्ड्स कठिन शब्द जो हमने पढ़े, वो ये थे: सहलाना, सहलाना, शर्मिंदा, शर्मिंदा, एहसास, एहसास, निश्चय, निश्चय, सुधर, सुधर. So children, these are the hard words which we read and learn today. तो बच्चों, आज का आपका होमवर्क क्या है? आप ये पेज 3 बार पढ़ेंगे और हार्ड वर्ड्स लर्न करेंगे. So children, your today's homework is to read the page 3 times and learn the hard words. Okay बच्चों, धन्यवाद. Thank you. Have a great day.